Want to know how to create a prime number code in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and in a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, a prime number is a number that is only divisible by 1 and itself. So we take a number. In this code writer, we have taken 29 as an integer. So we use a for loop after that. So as you can see, for int equals to 2, and in this condition, in this for loop, we use it from 2 to the square root of the number. If any number divides it evenly, we set our boolean flag to false and break the loop. Finally, we print whether it's prime or not. This teaches you loops, conditions, and efficient checking. So you can just simply run this code to see it. And as you can see, it is indeed a prime number. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.